This is Blue's exit video.
Blue.
We're going to demonstrate what he learned. Right now, his attention getter is his name. You say his name one time. We want him to look. He's got a good single focus for that. And he's not even taking, with things that are close, not even taking taking a little reminder. Now, that's not going to happen when you go to the new places in his life. That's going to take some reminding and some corrections. But right now, anytime he's looking at you, you really want to quietly praise him. He's got a nice focus, but he's also got a lot of giddy-up in him. And he seems very willing. We use a lot of body language if we're walking. We will focus him physically on our bodies. He's supposed to walk our speed on a loose leash. This is not if he stalls out, it's a reminder. And he's going to have leaves and all kinds of things, but right now, it's gentle reminders and lots of she's saying his name, focusing him back. I don't know what's on the floor. Probably.
Good sit.
He does a nice sit. Sit when you stop is part of his commands, and I would still use the command sit as you're stopping. Okay releases him.
Sit. Well, you saw that.
And cues that he's seen something through the door. You give him a little nudge on the leash and get that reminder. He is a baby, so it's baby steps. Yeah, good boy.
Stay.
Good. Stay is the close term control.
Stay.
I think he's trying to shake hands there. But
It looked like it. That was cute.
stay is short-term control. I would keep closer to him. Right now in our areas, we can walk around him. We'll come back and quietly pet him, give him another stay command, and then keep going.
Good. Stay. Good job, Blue. That's it. That's a good job.
So, we don't want those front feet to move. He can look around and see where you are. Once you go back to him, go close enough right into his working side. Pet him calmly. Don't let him get up.
Stay. Woo-woo. Uh-oh. Stay. That's it. Okay.
Good. Pet him calmly. Tell him okay and walk him out of the stay. Don't do any comes plus a stay. It's
Sit. Excellent. Stay.
if he gets up, take him back to where he was
Stay.
and reinforce the stay. If you find a place that's extra difficult, don't go so far and come back and then increase your distance. Sit stays are short. And again, it's very important that every stay end side by side with the dog, petting him and then releasing him. Don't release him from a distance. He is a baby, and you grow these commands and these skills one step at a time.
Good job, Blue. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Right here. Right here, Dad. That's the boy. Right up. Good boy. Sit. Good boy, Blue.
Down is your longer term control.
Good job.
Rolled over on a hip, elbows on the floor.
What a superstar.
It's a skill we start later once the sit stay is good.
Stay.
Same hand signal.
Very good job.
They're close. If he gets up, again, back up, help him back down, roll him.
Down. Thank you. Good. Good. Stay. Good job, Blue. Very good. That's very good. That's very good.
Once he gets something, he is a very willing dog, and he seems to have focus, and he seems to, big distraction coming through the door. He seems to have some good focus and some willingness. The dog's coming through, he's getting up. We're going to show him that the down or the sit is the same command. There you go. So big distractions, you're going to have to work harder. Good. But he has the foundation.
You are down. Josh is going to come back. Blue. Down. Good. There's a good boy. Stay. Good job.
We're still kind of with the puppies, using a treat with the cookie.
Stay.
A treat with the down
Good job.
kind of helps.
Good job.
That's something that should be weaned off.
Good boy. Good boy. Stay. That's it. That's a good boy. Very good. That's a good boy.
All the while that he's working, especially for this day, very quiet,
There we go.
praise.
Stay.
If something's close, you might do a reminder, help him.
Stay. Good. Stay.
Even the mop bucket is a pretty good distraction. Doors opening and closing. Good.
Good stay. Good. Good. Those pretty. Gonna come back. More distractions. Good boy. Thank you. Stay. Good. That's it. You can do it. Good job. Good stay. Good job, Blue. Good. Stay. Stay. Good job, buddy. Good. Stay. Good boy. That's it. That's it. Good. That's very good.
That's right. Anytime he's working this hard, you want to
Good job, buddy.
praise him, release him, and really have a good play session after that. I might toss a ball. That's a lot of work, and it really is a good way to get his. So let him take out all that extra energy that he just stored up on a toy of some kind. The best thing to do at this point is to practice those commands in the area where you want him to or need him to perform. Front doors, back doors, sitting next to the table, company coming. Right now, we've transferred him to the long line, and Blue is a freak. I have to say, Blue does the best come of all the puppies that we've trained this last couple of weeks. He loves to run.
Come! Woohoo! Good boy! Right here, kiddo. Sit. Good job.
The hard part with Blue is stopping him so that he doesn't bounce off your legs. It would be a good idea to stand up, and when he's coming, give him that sink command about 3 feet before.
Good job, Blue. Sit. Excellent.
That way it gives him a fair chance at doing it. He needs to
Blue. Sit. Excellent. Stay.
he needs time to stop. Again, come and stay are two different commands.
Stay.
We don't put the dog on a stay and then call him off of it.
Oh, distraction.
We do give,
that's
no,
okay.
good distractions.
Good job.
Good distractions are people walking around him. His dinner bowl might be a good distraction.
Stay.
That's, if he even
Very good.
shrugs those shoulders, just a calm, normal tone of voice, cueing or no, and then go back, help him a little bit, and reinforce. You got to remember he's a baby. And okay, side by side, releases him.